Con Marchesín, que se equivocó, la pelota va al fondo, va al fondo, va al fondo. ¡Qué gran lance del cancerbero Agustín Marchesín!
Oh, a big kick. Oh, he gets it behind Rizzo, Jamie Nolte,
Redknapp. Goodness me, have you ever seen anything like that in your life from a goalkeeper?
But not Mathieu Pernet. Two terrific blocks off the line from the defender. Finally, the goalkeeper earning his keep.
Na Rússia, o jogador do Rostov, Ivergini, fez uma das melhores defesas que um jogador pode fazer.
Andy Keogh, saved by Redmayne. The dancing around on the line has worked.
Bueno, can the goalkeeper get back in the nick of time? Yes, he can just. There's Bueno again, and somehow it's smuggled behind. Goal kick the decision. Goalkeeper.
Já na Romênia, o goleiro Alessandro Capargo conseguiu fazer o impossível e defendeu mais de 4 vezes só neste lance.
Incredibile parate de lui Caparco, senzaționale ocaziile CFR-ului. De revăzut faza Caparco.
Lo sacó el arquero, lo sacó el arquero, se puede creer. Si lo sacó Pusito que aparecía por atrás, no se puede creer.
Que bárbaro. Aqui não tem problema, por os dois tempos. Você vê que ele realmente está em forma.
De novo, ó. E o dono da festa fez isso. Olha o Sidão, olha o Sidão. Foi bem demais aí no escorpião.
No Brasil, este Gandula fez o inacreditável, invadiu o campo e impediu que sua equipe levasse o gol.
Fisting it half away, oh, the shot was on its way in, and it's a heroic goal-line clearance to preserve
RSL. Davi Luiz protagonizou um dos lances mais épicos do futebol, ao salvar esta bola praticamente em cima da linha.
Goes Barlow, he did just get his head to that first, and then Matuidi off the line with a wonderful clearance. Danger kept alive by Jared Stroud.
It's a cross for Shinyashiki off the post. What a save, Steve Clark. Pushing away a sure goal.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair.
Saved by Leno, but he won't get to the follow-up. Oh, this is just dramatic. 100% drama. Goodness me. It's just not Hoffenheim's night.
Boobies all around, say her body's fantastic.
defesa sensacional do goleiro do Tottenham.
Great defending as well.
And Michael Bradley denied by a super save from Elon Rom.
Excellent. The second save was exceptional. Doubted his right with this one. Brilliant save. Don't know how he saves that. It's actually an outstanding.
Se sauver. Lá vai o Riascos, correu, bateu. Vitor!
El Piti tocó. No, lo sacó el arquero. Lo sacó el arquero a Cota.
Cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is
What a save by Fry! Wow!
What a save!
À venir, le tir sous la barre et Gigi Buffon qui se détend. L'Italien sauve le PSG d'une égalisation de Bordeaux. La meilleure occasion pour les Girondins avec encore
Ronaldo at the post. Ronaldo! Unbelievable!
Yes! David Klaassen, what a clearance that is! Well, David Klaassen heard him making his two.
Here, and they have been punished. He goes off the top of the crossbar. Oh my goodness!
Comes a free kick, pushed onto the bar by Ochoa. Away by Henry.
We were very close a couple of times.
Cruzado, passou. Armos, que defesa do Alisson! With a chance, and that's one for Rooney. Oh my goodness, that was close. It was Matt Hummels who knocked it away from the goal.
Rebound, save Cornell. Buchanan with it. That should have been a first goal for New England.
Ya está, el golero coquimbano, Matías Cano, para él.
Cámara y la picó pero muy mal, la picó pero muy mal. He's taking a deflection, and did it go over the line? No goal, says the referee.
Kehrer ist Aigner auf der Linie gerettet.
Lá vai o Riascos, correu, bateu.
Avec la reprise superbe de Christian Telio. Mais alors que dire de l'intervention